This is a Jeep Momma product review. ShineArmor, a waterless wash, shine, and protect. Let's go check it out. I previously did a review video with ShineArmor, but I used the ceramic protectant. This time they sent me ShineArmor Fortify Quick Coat, plus some of the ShineArmor Nano Glass coating, and the ShineArmor Odor Eliminator, the lavender scent. And we're gonna take a look at all three of these, all in one video, a 3-in-1 video. I'm in California right now, hanging out with my niece, and we have driven her Ford Escape from Minnesota all the way out here to California, and I'm gonna treat her to some ShineArmor Protectant Quick Coat, and we're going to test it out, see what it looks like. We've already used the odor eliminator. Hey, no, we could just use ShineArmor to shine out those ceramic ShineArmor to shine out those scratches.
Oh man, it stinks in here, guys. Y'all need a bath so bad.
So we got to spray.
Whoa. Stinky, stinky, stinky.
We had two dogs with us in the car, and it got kind of stinky. We were in hotel rooms, pet-friendly hotel rooms. We used the odor eliminator in there, and it worked amazing. So I'm going to show you a before of my niece's Escape, and then I'm going to put on this ShineArmor, and then we're going to see the after and see how it looks. So here's the before. Hers vehicle is not as scratched up as mine, obviously. She does not take it off-road. But there are some little doggy scratches here because of her dogs trying to get in. But here's the before. And I'm going to get to work. So using the ShineArmor is so easy. You just squirt it on a microfiber cloth, a wet one. I have purple here. And then you wipe it off with a dry one. So super easy, and that's what we're gonna do. One application does it all. A waterless clean, seal, and protect. A ceramic water-based cleaning technology. This is a waterless wash. You wax on and wax off. Now you first use a little wet cloth and you wipe it on. It really looks good right now, I think. And then you take the dry cloth and buff it out. So it says to spray it on the cloth, but I just spray it right on the vehicle. Makes it go faster. All you do is wet a microfiber cloth, then you buff it out with a dry microfiber cloth and spray on the ShineArmor, and it effectively cuts the dirt, grease, and grime. This is so much better than a bucket of sudsy water. You gotta go turn. It's probably a good idea to rinse your vehicle off first. But turning that hose on and off and on and off, for me, is always a pain in the butt. So far, it's shining up really nice. I hope you like it, Brianna.
I was showing like before.
I know. And so you can see the little dog scratches. I wish I had my ceramic stuff. I would, maybe I'll send it back with you when you come to Minnesota. So, let's see. I was surprised as the road grime from our trip came right off without even smearing around on the vehicle. It just wiped right off. I'm like, it's really shining it up. It was like, do you think it looks better?
Yeah.
I mean, that was
compared
easier.
To the bottom.
Yeah.
On top.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's not like you're smearing the dirt around.
No.
Normally to wash a vehicle, it could take up to an hour with buckets of sudsy water and multiple trips turning off and on the hose if you don't have a sprayer and multiple cloths. But with this ShineArmor waterless spray, it was so quick and easy. And look at the after. Along with the ShineArmor Quick Coat, I also received some ShineArmor Nano Glass Cleaner. And this will allow you to drive in the rain without having to use your windshield wipers, which right now would be a really good thing for my niece because her windshield is cracked and she needs to get it replaced. And she's getting ready to go on a little trip and it's supposed to rain. So using those windshield wipers always made me nervous. So I'm gonna sneak some of this on her windshield, let her go on her trip, and have her tell me how it was when she gets back, and I'll let you know. I'm also hoping this ShineArmor Nano Glass Coating will help with the streaks. We had that issue when we were on our way here. There was lots of snow and rain, and every time we used the windshield wipers, it left streaks, and it was in the oddest places to where you needed to see as you were driving. So this is really easy. Just make sure your windshield or your windows are clean, and then you spray some of this on a cloth, rub it on, and then you use a clean microfiber cloth to buff it out. And you should do one half of the windshield first and then the second half. So spray it on a wet cloth,
being really
wipe it
careful.
on, and then buff it off with the dry one. Microfiber. Always use microfiber. So this was supposed to be a secret, Brianna. I was putting this on for you. And I know you have to go on a little trip here and it's supposed to rain. So you're gonna have to let us know how this works. If it helps with the streaking and with not having to use your windshield wipers as much.
I'm down for that.
So, cool?
Cool.
So we'll wait to hear back from Brianna and we'll see how it goes. So you've never used anything on your windshield, have you, Bri?
No, this is the first time.
Right.
But I did see a difference, so compared to with it or without it. And then my boyfriend got into the car and was like, did you put something on your windshield? And I was like, why? He goes, because like the rain was like deflecting, like the bigger drops would deflect.
Right.
So
he noticed it.
So yeah,
and he didn't even know anything was on.
No. So, but yeah, I definitely use it again. So yeah.
And what about the odor eliminator?
Definitely helped. Because the dogs it was really bad with the dogs. They smelled horrible. And they also fart a lot too. The lavender scent, I love lavender, so it really helped with the smell of the car. It made it more bearable than smelling that all
on
the whole drive.
3 days of driving. Go get yourself some ShineArmor. The link is in the description below.